Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. We're at the Frosty Mug and I am trying a dill shake. A dill shake. A lot of people saying that's kind of weird and crazy. We fixing to find out. It looks pretty. I'm not sure about that. It is pure dill pickle, but it's got ice cream in it, but it doesn't even taste sweet. It takes the whole sweetness of the ice cream out. It's pure. You're doing dill pickle taste. If you like dill pickles, this would be the shake for you. And I like dill pickles, but I like my shake sweet. So I'm going to finish this one off, but this is a no-go. Next time we'll try something sweet, but I had to know, was the dill pickle shake something I could eat? Dill pickle shakes. Bye guys.